All right, let's dive right into this explainer and see exactly how GitHub Copilot functions as your ultimate AI pair programmer. Look, we've all been there, staring at a totally blank screen, wondering where on earth to start. Well, today, we are breaking down an official tutorial to show you how to effortlessly weave this incredible tool into your everyday development flow. We're literally going from a completely blank screen to a fully functional game. So if you've ever felt totally bogged down by repetitive coding, or you just wanted a faster way to get your ideas out of your head and onto the screen, you're definitely in the right place. Okay, we're going to follow a crawl, walk, run progression today. Here's the agenda. 1. Meet your AI pair programmer. 2. Quick fixes with inline chat. 3. Deep work with Copilot chat. 4. Commands and chat participants. 5. Natural language Copilot edits. And 6. Commits and AI code reviews. Let's get into it. Section 1. Meet your AI pair programmer. Time to start building our Python rock, paper, scissors game. Imagine starting a brand new Python file. Normally, you'd start hunting down imports, right? Well, actually, scratch that. Here, you simply type out a plain English comment asking for a rock, paper, scissors game, one that tracks the score and lets the player quit. As soon as you hit enter, bam, ghost text appears. It shows up in this subtle gray font right inside your editor, and honestly, it kind of feels like it's reading your mind. Just press the tab key, and that entire suggested block is instantly injected into your file. Now, you absolutely aren't locked into accepting that whole block at once. If you hover over that generated text, you unlock a few options. Want to be a bit more careful? Just accept it a single word at a time. Or you can pop open the completions panel to check out a few different ways the code could be implemented. It really lets you pick the precise logic that fits your own coding style. Moving on to Section 2, Quick Fixes with Inline Chat. Let's upgrade this MVP code. So now that we've got a basic minimum viable product running, we probably want to make the input handling a bit more flexible. The absolutely crucial point here is just how seamless this feels. You literally follow these 3 steps right where you're already typing to invoke inline chat. There's no switching windows, no breaking your flow. You just highlight the specific code you want to tweak, hit Command or Control-I on your keyboard, and a little prompt box pops up right there in line. You just shoot it a simple, direct prompt like, allow the user to enter R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. The AI immediately whips up a quick fix to handle flexible user inputs, and we didn't have to rewrite a single line of logic manually. You just choose your model, hit enter, and watch the updates roll right in. Copilot seamlessly refactors your highlighted code to take those single-letter inputs. Give it a task, and boom, it works perfectly. But here's a really fun question. How do we turn this basic text-based MVP into an actual visual GUI? That input fix we just did was great, but if we really want to escalate this from a simple terminal script to a fully interactive, pop-up visual window, we got to bring out the heavy artillery. Terminal games are fun for sure, but a graphical interface? That makes it feel like a real application. Which brings us to Section 3, Deep Work with Copilot Chat. Let's build that graphical user interface. To build this out, we're going to click the chat icon to open the Copilot chat panel. Now, quick pro tip here. As a best practice, always keep your current file open so Copilot can use it as context. You'll actually spot a little indicator showing that it's actively referencing your open file. This ensures it knows exactly what code it's upgrading, so it can hand you an accurate plan of action plus the actual new code blocks, complete with citations. And once the chat generates that code for you, you can completely bypass all that tedious copying and pasting. If you hover over the new code block, you'll see 3 super useful icons. Apply an editor diffs the whole file for you instantly. Insert at cursor is amazing for targeted drops. And of course, copy is still there if you want to do things the old-fashioned way. We're just going to click apply, and suddenly our plain script is transformed into a visual app. Magic. All right, Section 4, Commands and Chat Participants. Let's navigate Copilot's built-in experts. As your projects inevitably grow, you're obviously not going to be working in just a single file. By pressing the / key in the chat, you unlock these ridiculously powerful commands and variables that give Copilot the exact context it needs to nail your specific questions. These are incredible shortcuts built for real day-to-day coding. You can type /explain to instantly make sense of a confusing file, or use the hash symbol to pull in variables, like #file to attach a specific document, or #codebase to let Copilot scour your entire project for an answer. And hey, if you ever get lost, just type /help. Now, think of these chat participants like specialized colleagues sitting right next to you. For example, tagging at workspace is incredibly helpful if you need to hunt down a function definition across your whole massive project. You literally just type the @ symbol into the chat. Hitting a cryptic build error, tag at terminal to get it sorted out. Tagging at GitHub can even search your repository's issues or pull requests. It's basically like routing your prompt directly to the perfect internal expert. Section 5, Natural Language Copilot Edits. This is how we edit multiple files simultaneously. Okay, now we are literally running. Copilot Edits basically merges the deep, conversational vibe of the chat with the lightning-fast, inline feedback of the editor. It bridges the gap perfectly. This allows you to initiate a sprawling coding session really rapidly, which happens to be exactly what we need to inject a detailed scoreboard into our new game. Get this, you literally don't even have to type anymore. You can just speak your requirements, let the model stream the logic back into your files, and instantly run the updated game. If you have the VS Code speech extension installed, you just click the microphone and talk. You literally just say the prompt out loud, pick your model, and watch as the new GUI code for the scoreboard streams right into your application. You accept it, run the game, and boom, the stats are right there on the screen. It is such an amazing feeling. And finally, Section 6, Commits and AI Code Reviews. Time to push our final code for review. So our game is perfectly polished, which brings us to what is traditionally everyone's least favorite chore, writing commit messages. But Copilot completely reduces this to a single click of a sparkly little icon right inside VS Code's Source Control tab. Instead of halting all your momentum to type out a tedious summary of every file you touched, you simply stage your changes, hit that sparkle icon, and Copilot instantly generates a beautiful, highly accurate commit message for you. And hey, before you even send a pull request over to your human teammates, why not have Copilot catch any potential issues first? Whether you're in VS Code highlighting a block for a quick AI review, working natively in a JetBrains IDE, or doing your review directly on GitHub.com, Copilot acts as an amazing, instant sanity check. The barrier to entry for software development has literally never been lower. We just watched how you can go from a single plain English comment all the way to a fully functional graphical Python game, heavily leaning on an AI pair programmer to do the heavy lifting of writing, refactoring, and reviewing. What an absolutely incredible time to be learning and building. So it really leaves us with one exciting question. What ambitious project are you going to build today? Thank you so much for walking through this explainer with me.